Welcome! In front of me I have Google Pixel Watch and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this device. Basically how quickly the screen will turn off after you stop using your watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by tapping on the screen or by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel and then tap on the settings icon to open the settings. In settings, scroll down, find the option called the display and tap on it. And here scroll down, find the option called screen timeout and select it. And here we have the list of durations, and we have 10 seconds, 15 seconds, and 30 seconds. Select the one you like, for example 10 seconds, and then you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And now my screen should turn off automatically after 10 seconds of inactivity. Like this. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.